show rational numbers on a number line. Let us see how to show 7 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 4 by 5 on a number line. 7 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 4 by 5, they are in a P by Q. They are in a P by Q form. So, these are a rational number. Let us draw a number line. Let us draw a number line. This is a line. Now this is a only line. And I am taking some numbers on this line. Number 0, 1, 2, 3. Right side of 0 number is always positive integers. And left side of 0, the numbers are negative integers. Right side of the zeros, numbers are positive integers. And the left side of the 0, numbers are negative integer. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now this is a number line. And we have to show on this number line, we had to show 7 upon 5, minus 2 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 on this number line. First, we will show 7 upon 5 on this number line. Now 7 upon 5, first expand 7 upon 5, 7 into 1 by 5, 7 into 1 upon 5. Therefore, since 7 upon 5 is equal to 7 into 1 5, therefore each unit on the right side of 0 is to be divided in 5 equal parts. Why 5 equal parts? When I expand 7 upon 5, we are getting 7 into 1 upon 5. In denominator, the value is 5. In denominator, the value is 5, means 1/5. And why right side of the 0? Why right side of the 0 is to be divided? Because 7 upon 5 is a positive rational numbers. 7 upon 5 is a positive rational numbers. That's why we are dividing on the right side of 0. That's why we are dividing right side of the zeros. This is divided in 5 equal parts. Now, 5 minus 1, subtract one number from 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So, there are 4 points in between 0 and 1 and in between 1 and 2. there are 4 points, and in 0 and 1 there are 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can see part 1, part 2, 3, 4, 5. This is divided in a 5 equal parts. These parts is also called interval. Similarly, divide here also. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Now this is divided in a 5 equal parts. Now the 7th, see, we already divided in 5 equal parts. This term we are already done with this. Now see, this here we have a 7. So the 7th point from 0 shows 7 upon 5. Now count from the 0. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is here. So what is this? This is a 7 upon 5. Similarly, we can show minus 2 upon 5 on the number line. Minus 2 upon 5. This is a negative rational number. This is a negative rational number. We can expand this minus 2 into 1 upon 5. Same. Left side of the 0. Left side of the 0 is to each unit on the left side of the 0 is to be divided in a 5 equal parts. Since we have 5 in denominator, so 5 minus 1, 4. 4 points in between these 2 points. 3, 4. They are divided in a 5 equal parts now. Now, see, here we have a minus 2. We have here minus 2. Now, start counting from the left side of the 0. 1, 2. Minus 2 upon 5. This is our minus 2 upon 5. Similarly, we can show minus 4 upon 5 on this number line. Minus 4 by 5 is a negative rational number. And this is already divided in a 5 interval. This is already divided in a 5 equal parts. Now start counting from the left side of 0 and go up to minus 4. 1, 2, or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Or minus 4 upon 5 is here. Now we have shown these rational numbers on a number line. Observe the number line and answer the questions. The number line is given in the question, and the first question is Which number is indicated by point B? Which number is indicated by point B? We can see point B in this given figure. Point B is here. Point B is here. And the point is divided in a 1, 2, 3, 4. In a 4 interval or in a 4 equal parts. The point B is here. Point B is here. Point B is on a left side of 0. So, start counting from the left side of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We start from 0 and we stop here at point B. Now this is a 10th point. This is a negative integer, so minus 10, and they are divided in a 4 equal parts, so minus 10 upon 4. We can reduce this. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, which is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So, the number minus 5 by 2 is indicated by point B. So, minus 5 by 2 is indicated by point B. Second question. Which point indicates the number 1 is to 3 by 4? Which point indicates the number 1 is to 3 by 4? First, reduce 1 is to 3 by 4. We know how to solve this. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. We can see 7 by 4 is a positive rational number. 7 by 4 is a positive rational number. And what is asked in a question? Which point indicates the number 1 is to 3 by 4? Now expand this. 7 into 1 by 4. This is already divided in 4 equal parts. Now the 7th point from right side of the 0 indicates the number 1 is to 3 by 4 or 7 by 4. Our answer is a point. Okay. The number 7 from the 0. Now start counting. 1. Start counting from right side of the 0 and stop at a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is somewhere here. Means 7 by 4 is here. And this is A and point C. And we can see point C is on this number. So, point C indicates the number 1 is to 3 by 4. Point C indicates the number 1 is to 3 by 4. Now the third one. State whether the statement the point D denotes the number 5 by 2 is true or false. First, see where is our point D. Our point D is somewhere here. It is divided in 4 equal parts. Now start counting from right side of the 0 and go up to point D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means 10 by 4 point D is on the number 10 by 4. So 10 by 4, and what is given in the question? The point D denotes the number 5 by 2 is true or false. But we are getting 10 by 4. We can reduce this. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 5 by 2. So, the statement, the point D denotes the number 5 by 2 is true. This is a true statement.